Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So, 4th of July celebrations are now over, and we do have the Feds coming out this evening with their minutes. So I suspect we're probably going to be a little bit muted today as well. Maybe not in the same sense that we've been this week. You can see this tight range that we've been in. There has been a little bit of movement in the European market, which S&P 500 has not really followed through. But let's just get into what we see right now. So firstly, oscillators are grouped to the upside. That is overbought. We had a fairly strong move to the upside last week. This is a potential flag break that's here. There's the top part of the flag, and we have cleared the previous high of that flag. So in my eyes anyway, we are looking for an opportunity to buy. Let me just delete that. We're looking for an opportunity to buy, and we're looking for some form of pullback. But if you look inside here, closest bit of structure for us on the 8-hour is all the way down here. And that is 43.94, 4400. And if we just scroll left, just to double check that we're not missing something, so you can see there's price now. There's the closest pullback. There's another level there. And that is significant, that one, because typically when you get rejections like that, they are tested again somewhere along the line. So that gives us a area around 44.22 that we need to look at. So drill down through the time frames. At the moment we are ranging, there's no two ways about it. Oscillators are all grouped tightly to the upside. Definitely don't want to be jumping in long up there on the 3-hour. On the 1-hour, kind of all over the place, still a really tight range at the moment, and no other structure here. There are gaps lower down, and those gaps were closed on the DAX yesterday. So if we just drill down to what we're looking for, and you will see nothing. So there is a gap there. Okay. Let's make sure there's another one over there. So let's just put our gaps in. I suspect we are either going to range, and oops, that looks like that gap is also open. Yeah, that gap is also open. So what you're looking for is some structure, and structure could come off 44.51 or 44.50. It could come off 44.48. So 44.50 is a fairly decent area to pay attention to. Then we have a gap at 44.44. We have another one further down at 44.30, and then we have all the way down to 44.22 and 4400 roughly. You can see these tails here would be what you'd be looking for. So I'd be a little bit cautious today. Wait for the Feds, and then you also got non-farm payrolls on Friday. So I think this week is still going to be a little bit choppy, topsy-turvy, rangy, whatever you want to call it. But I think we're going to just muck around between two levels until we get some direction. And you can see the moving average is not giving us much, but that's to be expected because of the public holiday long weekend. So yeah, I'm very cautious here. I'm not willing to jump in at the top here on any move. I definitely don't want to try to pick the top, and I definitely don't want to try and pretend that it's going to keep climbing. So I'd rather wait for the pullback onto one of these levels and just see whether we get a buying opportunity. Any buyers that come in here is going to be short-lived. You'll probably be taken out by the underside here, somewhere around what's that, 44.56. So I think you're going to be range bound pretty much most of the day. That's kind of the moral of the story. Anyway, that's kind of me for today. Don't forget to like and drop us a comment, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.